Where you at, everybody? This is Eddie with Southern Hot Rod, and today we're going to talk about maintenance, automatic transmission maintenance, specifically the 8HP 70, 75, the 8HP 90 and 95, as well as the almighty 7226. We get this question a lot. They ask, how long? When should I do it? What's involved in it? Well, A, it's very easy. When should you do it? Every 15,000 miles, once a year, or before a big race. So once you got the pan down and you're looking at it, the number one thing you're going to do, because I'm going to ask you this on the phone, or one of my guys are going to ask you this on the phone, is what's the fluid level and condition, all right? Well, obviously the fluid level is not going to be right because you got the pan off. But you'll be able to tell a lot about a fluid condition. Does it smell burnt? Does it look burnt? If it smells burnt, you'll know it. You don't have to be a transmission guy to know that the transmission is burnt. Is there debris in the pan? It'll sometimes, if there's clutch material in the pan, it'll look like mud in the pan. If it's really bad, you'll know. There'll be no question. Because once you look inside the pan, it's a really good idea, a good picture of health for your transmission. And on a side note, if you do take this apart and you see something that you're not understanding or it just doesn't make sense, then take a high-res picture of it and send it to support@southernhotrod.com. support@southernhotrod.com. Make sure your contact information is in there so we can call you back and talk to you about what we see. We have all the kits available at southernhotrod.com. They're very inexpensive insurance policies in my opinion, and it's something you should be looking at. Talk at you later. We'll see you in the next video.
Over and over, the cycle repeating, you're tired.